I'm David Schneider of DRS Law. Thank you for tuning in to our series of instructional videos. Today, I want to talk a little bit about an irrevocable trust. You've mostly heard me speak in these programs about revocable trusts, what's referred to as a living trust. The revocable trust, the living trust, this is going to be the right vehicle for literally 100% of the clients. You need to utilize a revocable trust. But there are some clients who will also need an irrevocable trust. Irrevocable means you can't change it. Once it's set up, that's it. It's now etched in stone. An irrevocable trust is a tool that we might use when we have to deal with special needs, when we have to deal with a life insurance trust or a charitable remainder trust, typically tools for families that are going to be above the lifetime exemption. Also, your revocable trust. Sooner or later, all revocable trusts become irrevocable. What am I talking about? When the settlors of the trust, those people that funded the trust, they have either become incapacitated and or died. When you can no longer control your trust, when you're no longer the decision maker, then your revocable trust becomes irrevocable. In the planning stages, this is, as I mentioned, typically used for high net worth clients. It should never be used as a receptacle for somebody who has a home and a bank account and a brokerage account. This is not the proper vehicle. Clients will come to me and state that they're concerned about lawsuits, about liability. So if they have an irrevocable trust, they don't own the asset can never be taken in a lawsuit. This is not really proper. What should be done is that the client should have proper insurance, utilizing proper liability coverage, umbrella liability coverage, or even perhaps LLCs, limited liability companies, or corporations to protect against the liability exposure. An irrevocable trust solely for the purposes of liability exposure is not the right vehicle. So there are some times that we will use them. Largely, we won't. The revocable trust is the best answer for the majority of families. If you think this information has been helpful, if you like this, or you'd like to learn more about estate planning, number one, go ahead, hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notices when we produce new, fresh content. Give my office a call. I'd be happy to schedule an appointment with you to talk about how estate planning can benefit you and your family. I'm David Schneider. Thanks for tuning in.